Yeah, Eugene said so. Come up with your own algorithm, pretty much.
Yep, yep.
Yeah, it just comes with time and practice, really.
But yeah, what Juan said is exactly right. The keeper, that's going to be that will make or break your business. I mean, it really will. The beautiful thing is, other than what you pay for to get the software, it doesn't cost you anything more than that. So you can spend as much time as you want studying that, learning it, and before you even start buying items right now, if you're just in the process of trying to get your account set up and all the rest of that, get on there and look at stuff that you buy anyway. Most of you buy stuff from Amazon anyway. Go look at it and pull it up on Keepa and take a look at that chart and say, why does it look like that? And try to break it down, and then go through there and screw around with it, figure it out. There are tons of YouTube videos just on learning how to use Keepa alone. You know who's got a great one? If you're familiar with Amazon Lit, they got a fantastic whole section just on using Keepa. I learned stuff I didn't even know was possible, and I was like, wait a minute, didn't know that's what that meant. Okay, great.
Amazon what?
Amazon Lit. Amazon LIT.
LIT.
I think they're the biggest right now, huh? I think.
Yeah, they're ridiculous.
Last year?
Yeah, they're doing like
80 million?
200,000.
80 million last year?
Yeah.
80 million last year, right? In sales?
Yeah, it's nuts.
80 million in sales.
Yes.
So I listen. When they speak, I listen, right? It's like, okay, maybe they know a thing or two. Let's see.
Hey, Louis, so I just checked my email for the roadmap. I don't think I got an email, or I guess I'll just DM you and send you my email.
Yeah, please.
And then I kind of chimed in late, but I caught the last part where you were setting on the settings of the seller amp to already have it preset for the dollar for the dollar cost for the Amazon shipping and the prep center. Can you show us how you did that again, or show me, please?
Let's see. You guys see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So go to your seller amp, and then go to the bottom right here. See it? Settings, click it, and then go to additional cost. And then prep fee would be $2.20. $1 for Amazon and $1.20 for our prep center. And the miscellaneous fee is where I put my tax. So I put 10%. And then go to the bottom and save.
Sweet.
Yeah. And then from here, you just plug in your supplier's price on your cost, right? So for example, this one, 578. You put 578 here on your cost. And then everything would be automatic. See it? So ROI is this, sales is this, VSR is this. So
Louis, can I say something?
Mm-hmm.
So I do the same thing, but guys, keep ahead. Just remember that if it's free shipping, that works. But when it's not free shipping, you got to add that shipping cost without the tax, and then just divide your total cost by the number, and then put that number in. Because I've done that in the past, where I just put the numbers in, and then I ordered from a store, and the shipping was up there, and then my profits went lower after I realized that I didn't get it from like Kohl's or some of these free shipping sites. So when you do use the seller amp, you already have your taxes in your prep center and Amazon fees. But if you order, let's say from like if you want to get on Gated, order from Frontier, and they charge you for ship. If you don't order 250 products and they charge you for shipping, add that extra $8 to that or just remove the tax and then divide the total cost by the number of products, and then put your your cost price in there, and then it'll give you a more accurate, profit.
Yeah.
Right.
Because I done that. I just put in like, oh, okay, I got this, my prep center. I'm getting this for $23.90. I go back, I'm like, man, what's going on with this product? I thought I was gonna make it. When I went back, I forgot that I got charged shipping from the supplier I got it from. So
right. Well, when we're using Seller Amp, it's just really for product research, right? But
yep.
I mean, before you purchase anything, make sure you, of course, double check your prices too.
Yep.
Right. Like before you click pay, like make sure of first.
Yeah, what the final
Like
thing is,
mm-hmm.
that's what I do now, no matter what, because I know mine is a 250. I'll do the final thing. I'll divide it by the products, and then I'll put it into the Seller Amp, and I already know I got additional 10% and 2%, or I'll deduct it, and then I'll make my number out that way also. As long as it's, as long as I'm being charged shipping. If I'm not being charged shipping, I leave it, and it's been pretty, the term saying dead nuts has been pretty like on the money.
Right. Yeah, it goes deeper too because there's other websites where they give you like 50% off, right?
Yep.
Oh, give me your email, I'll give you like 10% off, or I'm doing a sale for Christmas, right? So, yeah, before you guys buy anything, just double check all your numbers first. Just like grocery shopping, right? Like don't pay until you see what's on your cart, you know your numbers, and then you pay for stuff. So same concept. Before you pay for anything, just double check. Yeah. Thanks, Juan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Or is that a lot?
It makes sense. Thanks, Juan. Appreciate you.
Yep.
Shamari.
Yeah, I don't want to overwhelm people, so
Right.
it gets a lot, right? I mean, look at Warner, right? Like, oh my gosh, we're going deep last night with like Warner. I'm like, bro,
I love it. I love it. I love it.
We're going to like Jupiter now. We're going so far last night, so
yeah.
But just like wherever you are in your journey, just just learn it, right? So if you're in your journey of setting up your prep center, then just do that first. If you're in your journey of ordering your first product, then that's your journey, right?
And if it's overwhelming, that's okay. No one, especially you, should expect to learn everything in one day. It's not going to happen. So, just absorb what you can that day. The good thing is most of this is recorded, or we can go back to it and take copious notes so that you can go and look at it, because it may not make sense to you on day one. I have notes from the very first couple of days that made zero sense to me. I took them because he said they were important. I was like, all right, I'm gonna write it down. It meant nothing to me. And then I go back and look at it and I go, oh, that makes sense. I understand why I had to do that, but I didn't get it then. So you just have to trust yourself and trust the system and repeat it, and then it'll start to come, and it'll start to make sense. And you go, okay, I got it.
Yeah, and all our trainings are very like repetitive anyway. I was gonna go through products every single week over and over again, so it takes practice. So